Hello, my name is Vinicius and continue the playlist of integration OpenAI with Bubble. In this video, I go to create a first assistant in platform OpenAI and import with Bubble. Okay, in this platform OpenAI, go to a playground. And playground, I select this project. In project is create a last class is a bubble connection. Dangerous for the selected project. Project difference is a difference assistant and not search in use the assistants is very important. Okay, in the part of assistants, I go to create and define the name of assistant. Okay, it is the configuration of assistant, for example, model, instructions, tools, model configuration, I aborted in the next class. Okay, in this moment, go to Bubble. In Bubble, I go to plugins and install the principal plugin of Bubble is API connector. In the API connector, I go to another API and rename API for OpenAI. And first call, API call, is go to delete for not necessary. I go to importation, another call for URL. I go to API reference in OpenAI and search for assistant and retriever assistant. I go to copy CURL and import it to Bubble. In Bubble, in the complete API, and the API is every use content type and OpenAI beta. And I go to charge in header and copy exactly for in API header and delete it in call. In call is configuration for a parameter is a modified URL and use with action no data and rename the API call. After then, I select the script assistant ID is now returned for assistant playground and copy the IG for we assistant. And the IG is pasted with Bubble and rename for API call. Let's go to data and copy the API key in this last class configuration and paste for plugin in after better and this mark the private and initialize the call. After initialize, go to save and go to editor and I configuration in a simple moment for two inputs and the name assistant and ID assistant and a button of disparate workflow. In the workflow, I go to realize the OpenAI call. Okay, as a simple layout, not important, I return the configuration a beautiful layout. But I go to function for workflows. I go to in button add the workflow and the configuration. I go to a call API configuration and go to in path assistant of input assistant and header authorization. I go to arbitrary text and script a better and insert a new expression dynamic and a put a current user API key. I go to a database and return the workflow and the configuration. I create a new assistant. I create a new assistant only in assistant return is not empty. And the ID assistant is not empty. ID assistant is equal to input ID assistant, and the name is equal to input name assistant. I go to put alert of error and add the new plugin of B notification for. I go to return in workflow and I put B not toast alert and the script are error and go to modify the color and go to data. Now is go to data and a running user of now and create a name assistant and put is a ID assistant. Is go to return for bubble and in table AI assistant convert to ID assistant. Welcome, well done, and the finish tutorial is now. Okay, bye, see you later, and see you next video.